Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir, for this interview. My name is Hem Kumar Rai. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Bhojpur, Nepal. My height is 5.6. Weight is 80 kg.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have.
Okay, how old are your kids?
He is 11 years old.
Do you drink?
No,
You smoke?
no.
Okay, how many class did you graduate?
So SLC pass.
Do you have a qualification certificate?
Yes, I have.
What is your working experience?
So I have experience as a factory worker.
Okay, what are your duties at your previous workplace as a factory worker?
So my duty were quality check, scanning, packaging, loading, unloading, data entry, machine operator, and forklift operator.
Do you have any work experience outside of your country?
Yes, I have 5 years of experience as a factory worker at BS Electric Company in Malaysia.
Okay, why do you want to come to Romania?
Because Romania is a beautiful country, I want to earn money to support my family.
Do you have any friends or relatives in Romania?
No,
Okay, what kind of job do you want to do in Romania?
any kind of job like a factory worker or warehouse worker.
Okay, how many hours a day did you work at your last job?
I did 12 hours per day and 6 days per week.
Are you agree to stay overtime?
Yes,
Are you medically fit?
yes,
Do you have any chronic disease or surgeries?
no.
Okay, for how many years will you like to stay in Romania if you are selected?
If I was selected, I will stay in Romania minimum 5 to 7 years.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you very much.
My name is Mohammed Rai. I'm from Police. उसको बहिनीले के अचार मागेको छ कि घरमा कस्तो गएछ उताबाट आउँदै स्कुटी लिएर स्कुटी त लिएर जानु हौ कहाँ राखेको पर्दैन स्कुटी लिएर जानु पर्दैन जहाँ रुममा बस भन्छ आएको रुममा बसेर जान्छु जाऊ न हौ रुममा बस्नुलाई गाह्रो नकाट्यो उनीहरू बसेर नदिएको के खानालाई बस्नु काम भएको त हिजोमा पनि सुतिरहेको छु टाउको दुखेर हिजो धेरै खाएको छु टाउको दुखेर कहाँ मान्छे हुन्छ त कहाँ यो देखालाई दिनु गयो त्यतिखेर भइहाल्यो आज स्कुटी दिनु नि तपाईँको मान्छे जान्छु भनेर आमा छोरै गएको छ त्योबाट लिएरै गएको छ काम पनि सुरु गर्नु अहिले मलाई त पुल पनि चलाउँछ तिनैजना चलाउँछ छोरा पनि चलाउँछ रोडमा दबाएको छ कि चलाउन त्यो पनि चलाउँछ मलाई त कहाँ कहाँ लगाएर चलाएर बसाएर बसारी बस्छु सुनाउँदै बसारी
Are you fine?
Yes, fine. Thank you.
Do you have any problem?
No problem.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.